Assalamualaikum. I am Kashif Bisharat, student of MSc Honors Food Technology at National Institute of Food Science and Technology. The purpose of this video is to represent my research topic which is carried during my MSc research. My topic was assessing the nucleotide content of AMP-Kinase activated buffalo meat. So first of all, I will discuss about the need of project. As we know, meat is nutritious food having a high amount of protein and other essential compounds that comprises vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids. Postmortem aging improved tenderness, juiciness, and flavor by the breakdown in muscle structure through endogenous proteases. Conversion of muscle into meat by involving biochemical and physical changes is the postmortem aging. Proteases enzymes that helps conversion of muscle into meat. The purpose of this video is to examine nucleotide contents of AMP activated kinase in buffalo meat. ATP, AMP, GMP, ADP, and IMP concentrations of postmortem muscles were determined by using high performance liquid chromatography. Measuring nucleotide contents in tissues is an objective indicator of the freshness of meat and flavor enhancer. As we know, nucleotide contents in meat increases the freshness and flavor enhancer and consumer acceptability. Then I will explain about objectives of my study. To assess the nucleotide contents in meat, to evaluate nutritional implications of ATP, AMP, and IMP in buffalo meat, to understand meat quality and freshness, and to improve the meat quality by activation of AMPK. And here are the materials and methods of my study. First of all, I have done the procurement of raw materials. I have bought buffalo meat from the market of Faisalabad, and then preparation of raw materials for analysis and sampling is done. Then pack these samples into air sealed polythene bags, then stored at refrigeration temperature. And then I have injected calcium chloride injections into meat for the activation of AMPK and for the increase of tenderness in meat. And then I have done analysis of these samples. Treatment plan of my study was I have injected calcium chloride injections in T0, 0 millimolar calcium chloride injections in T1, 100 millimolar calcium chloride injections in T2, 150 millimolar calcium chloride injections in T3, 200 millimolar in T4, 250 millimolar. And then I have do analysis of meat. I have done many proximate analysis, physicochemical analysis, and analysis which explained and which carried through my studies that are nucleotide contents, ATP, ADP, AMP, GMP, and IMP levels. And then I have done sensory analysis, and then applied stat on my all analysis, and conclude the data. Results of my study was in this table. Moisture, crude fat, and crude protein have been explained. During moisture determination, I studied that moisture content will decrease by the passing of postmortem aging. With meat aging, enzymes and natural biochemical reactions breakdown muscle fibers can lead to loss of moisture. Aging buffalo meat can lead to some serious moisture loss. Protein remains largely unchanged, but increasing trend in crude fat and crude protein can be seen. And then pH and water holding capacity of buffalo meat will also increases by aging due to enzymatic activity, breakdown proteins and releasing basic compounds. Water holding capacity have results which is related to moisture loss. T bars and TVBN values will also increases. When the concentration of calcium chloride increases, the meat samples that are infused with calcium chloride was different from the control with an increase in L, A, and B values. So we can see that color of buffalo meat have the good sign. And then cooking yield is also increases due to less moisture loss. And WBSF value indicated that less the WBSF value, higher will be the tenderness of the meat. And then a texture profile analysis of buffalo meat explained that it has the good texture of texture, cohesiveness, gumminess, and chewiness is also increases. Peroxide value will also increases in buffalo meat. Protein solubility values will increase due to enzymatic actions and protein denaturation. Buffalo meat had more mineral contents, and as we can see that calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium levels in buffalo meat is at highest levels of their concentration. ATP, ADP, IMP, GMP values of buffalo meat will increase by aging due to activation of AMPK. Buffalo meat had the best flavor, tenderness, juiciness, appearance, and oral acceptability. And I want to explain about my ADP and AMP and IMP levels. In fresh buffalo thigh meat, ATP levels are typically highest, providing energy for muscles functions. After slaughter, ATP is quickly depleted, and this leads to change in the concentration of ADP, AMP, and IMP. And this may leads to the concentration or change in the concentrations of ADP, AMP, and IMP levels can lead to development of flavor. And here are the conclusions of my study. Buffalo meat had significantly highest quality characteristics and sensory scores. Buffalo meat is considered healthier due to its unique taste, crude protein, and free fatty acids. And buffalo meat has the lower fat content, which makes it healthier. Major functions of the AMP activated protein kinase is to act protectively, switching off biosynthetic pathways when the cell is subjected to stress that causes ATP depletion. As I have explained that I have injected calcium chloride injections, and calcium chloride injections accelerated post-mortem tenderization of beef skeleton muscles. I have used calcium chloride injections for the increase in tenderness of buffalo meat. The presence of nucleotides could be an indicator of the freshness and quality of the meat. Nucleotides, especially inosine monophosphate and guanosine monophosphate, enhance the savory taste of meat. Monitoring nucleotide levels can provide insights into the quality and sensory attributes of buffalo meat, helping to ensure a positive consumer experience. So I have concluded my all research. Hope you like this video. Thank you.